Hello friend, this is Sudhanshu Kude and our topic for today's presentation is steering system of vehicle. The steering system of a vehicle is the mechanism that helps the driver to control the direction of motion of the vehicle by turning front wheels. As you see, this is the block diagram of actual steering mechanism where you can see the steering wheel that driver steers for changing the direction of vehicle, which is connected to the wheels by means of the steering columns and mechanism that includes idler arm, track rod, pitman arm, and a recirculating ball steering gearbox. The main function of steering mechanism is to change the direction of front wheel to ensure easy and smooth control of vehicle and to provide stability while driving. When the working principle, when steering is done, the steering shaft rotates steering gear that the gear movement is transferred through linkages to steering knuckles which turn the front wheels in desired direction. Requirements and function of steering system. First, requirements. It is easy to control and it should keep the vehicle moving straight ahead without frequent correction by the driver, which means it gives directional stability. The steering should respond immediately to the driver's input without delay, which means it uh, it it is having quick response. It gives minimum wear and play. Functions of steering system: to change the direction of vehicle, to control vehicle stability, and to provide smooth cornering, to minimize driver effort, to absorb road shocks. Front wheel steering geometry: it refers to angular relationship between front wheels, kingpin, and other steering parts to ensure smooth, stable, and accurate steering of a vehicle. There are uh, there are two types of steering. First is parallel steering, which is both the front and rear wheels turn in same direction. Then it's called parallel steering. And when the front and rear wheels turn in opposite direction, it's called opposite steering. Main components of front wheel steering system: there are four angles like camber angle, caster angle, kingpin inclination, and toe in toe out. First is camber angle. It is the tilt of the wheel from the vertical line when viewed from the front. If the top of the wheel is tilted outward, it's positive camber. As you can see, this positive camber and negative camber. The purpose is to reduce tire wear and to improve stability. Second is caster angle. It is the tilt of the kingpin or steering axis from the vertical line when viewed from the side. The purpose of caster angle is to provide self-centering action and straight line stability. The caster angle could be divided in three types. As you can see that positive caster, neutral caster, and negative caster. Kingpin inclination. The kingpin inclination is the inward tilt of the steering axis from the vertical line when viewed from the front. The purpose is to help return the wheel to the straight ahead position and reduce steering effect. Toe in toe out. Toe in is the front ends of wheels are closer than rear ends, and toe out is the front ends are the farther apart. As you can see, this is toe in and this is toe out. Thank you, friends.